Got the Wednesday Whopper with cheese. So I don't know what this is about. Oh, look at that. Wow. This thing is so purple. Sheesh. Pretty patty, anyone? I really don't know how they get it purple like this, but what is it? Oh, that must be the cheese. Okay, so yeah, got black sesame seeds, which I like. Smells like a Whopper, but yeah, purple. The color of royalty. All right, let's take a bite. Definitely tastes like Wednesday. Hump day. No. It just tastes like a regular Whopper. Just purple, violet. We'll see what the effects will be tomorrow. But yeah, check it out. Wednesday burger on a Monday. Purple. Till next time.